Introducing the new EZI Connect system, exclusive to the Bounce LED Novaneon range. The new solderless connector system, adapted from the pivot, means that assembly is easy, secure and watertight. In this video, we're going to look at how to use the Novaneon Reflex and its new EZI Connect system to create an open can channel letter. This is a classic neon look and is a throwback to how sign makers would traditionally use neon to illuminate large format sky signs. The Novaneon Reflex is rated for external use, so it's also a reliable option for use out in the elements. Begin by cutting the Neon Flex strip to length using the marked cutting intervals. Insert the silicone terminal and slide a left or right side connector into the strip. Spread silicone glue on the cut end of the strip and slide the wire cap over, cleaning up as required. Similarly, spread silicone glue to the end of the wire cap and slide the metal sleeve over to secure it in place. Leave silicone to cure for 4 hours before powering up. Novaneon can be mounted inside the prepared letter can using either plastic clips, a routed channel or our aluminium mounting extrusion. We love this modern take on the traditional neon style, using the Novaneon Reflex and its new connection system. Use the Novaneon Reflex from Bounce LED to bring a pop of colour and a classic neon look to your projects.